Hello, my people. I it's me again. I'm making another video for once. Probably my last one before the year 2025 ends. If I don't make anything else, that is, which I probably won't. But this time I made a trollodex maker, which I showed a little sneak peek preview of in my last video. And I also showed it in the short I uploaded, so yeah. I made a short in preparation for this whole recording, and then I forgot to record it for like a week. So, here I am, recording. And I made like a replica of this thing from Vast Error called a trollodex, which is this little thing that Murat gets in like a bun. It's supposed to be like those like limited edition like card things, like you pull them and it's like, ooh, you got this fancy shiny card thing. So that's basically what it is. But they're also just like a cool way of showing information about your character, or in the case of Vast Error, like the canon 12, the main 12. So I just wanted to make a replica because I've always wanted to make stuff like that, and I just didn't have the effort into, I didn't want to put the effort into editing out everything and doing it all like that. So I made a generator to help people. It really wasn't all that hard to do. I'd say the most annoying part of it was probably making the back of the card. Oh, and there was a problem right after I uploaded it because you couldn't it was like locally hosting the image on your own like personal thing. It didn't work. So I fixed that. But those were probably the two most annoying things, but I got them fixed. So, that's that. Basically what I did was I took Elsie's card because I thought like it would be the most fitting, I guess. Because it has like enough space for the horn. So I took Elsie's card and I removed all the information. And made like a template layout for where everything would go in the image and all that. And at first I started it in Python, but then I switched to JavaScript because it'd be easier. You were able to input several boxes of like information and things. Like you could edit the first name to last name, their date of birth basically in there, and like the date the card was made, the horn information, stuff like that. But to make it more challenging and to actually automate it, not automate it, to make it like just to make it easier and less of a hassle for users, including me when I use it, to make the little colored bar where the blood color is like represented on the thing, there was a little color box and you could input any value, whether that be like hex or hue saturation light or RGB, and it would take the hex and it would turn into RGB, and then it would turn that RGB into the hue saturation light values, and it was an absolute it was like awful. The math, stupid. It wasn't really that bad, but I just had a lot of problems because I don't know, I just struggled to keep up with it, and I missed little things that altered the entire thing, so the math was stupid on it. So that was cool. Yeah, it's just something that the user can make and, yeah, make for their own character based off Vast Error. Several people have already made a bunch, and I'm probably gonna put them, somewhere around here, because I thought they were very cool, and I really liked seeing what people made with a thing that I coded. And I'll show mine using the character that I made in the last video, too, because I guess that's the theme I'm sticking with. She's gonna keep making appearances, so. The generator it's on my GitHub, just like the troll generator. I really don't know what else I should make, but, hey, it was a project and it ended up being, really cool. I used to think that I would never be able to make anything like that. And now here I am, making things like that with JavaScript. So, whatever. But, I made it. Yay! Yeah, on my GitHub. Please make your own and show me on Twitter. Or in the Escape Discord server. You should Show me in both places. That'd be so cool. Because I repost whenever people quote tweet me with their little creations, I always retweet them, and I really like seeing them. I like seeing that stuff, but yeah. Let me know like what else I should make, because they're kind of, it's just like, it's a fun way to practice stuff. I want to try something in Python soon, so if there's anything that maybe I could do with Python, just, you know, give me a suggestion. So, that's me, the guy, signing off. Go use my troll generator, go make cool things. Go use my troll generator, go use my trollodex generator. Go make cool things and show me them. Show me your things. Show me your things. Yay! Yay! Yay!